We've been seeing a lot of VTubers bring IRL aspects into their live streams, doing things like VTubing cooking streams and VTubing unboxings. Hello everyone, I'm your VTuber Senpai, and today I'm going to show you on how you can do VTubing cooking streams and VTubing unboxings. But before we get into any of that, if you happen to like today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. By liking and commenting, you help the video rank better in the algorithm, and by subscribing, you help us unlock new and different perks down the road. But enough about all that, let's get into the video. Now, if you have not seen my past videos on how to set up your character in VC Face Lippet or anything like that, make sure you check out those videos right now. I do have a few. Okay, maybe more than a few. Great, now that you have your VTubing character set up in the software of your choosing, let's get on to the next step. For this, we actually do require 2 webcams. Camera number 1 is going to be used by our VTubing software. There's really no work around that. We actually have to do that. And camera number 2 is going to be used towards our unboxing or what we're cooking on stream. So what we want to do next is just open up OBS and proceed to the next step. Great. Now that we have our OBS open, what we want to do is we want to make a duplicate of our main scene. So we're going to right click on it and click on duplicate. It's going to give us a pop-up, and what we're going to do is we're just going to type in something around the lines of openings. Great. Now that we have a duplicate scene, what we want to do is make sure we change the size of our avatar. So what we are going to do is we're going to hit the unlock button. We're going to click on the avatar size itself, and we're going to shrink us to the appropriate size. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a webcam. To add our webcam, all we need to do is under sources, we're going to click on the little plus button. We are going to select video capture device, and we're going to call it whatever our webcam is. Mine's a C920. And then we're going to click OK. And now what we're going to do is under device, we're going to click on this, and we're going to go down to the appropriate webcam. Then we're going to click OK. And now that our webcam is showing, we want to make sure that it's pointing exactly where we want it. And in my case, it is. So what I want to do now is bring my box that I want to open up on stream and, well, unveil what's inside and then show the goodies to everybody else. Now, you definitely want to make the webcam that's showing off all the goodies a lot bigger than I had it, but that was just for example purposes. So make sure it's very, very large so your audience can actually see what you're enjoying and what you're trying to show off to others. If you have any wireless webcams or anything like that, the setup will be the exact same. Nothing has to change. So just do the entire process as you saw it on screen. And just like that, you are doing unboxings just like everybody else, and you are doing VTubing cooking streams better than anybody else. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on doing this yourself. Again, I'm your VTuber Senpai. I stream here on YouTube every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So come on by, say hi. Let's talk about VTubing, gaming, box openings, whatever. And well, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.